Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video on How to Geek, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the DeviantArt account. So if you're into art and want to be a part of one of the largest art communities, this is a wonderful platform for you to be on. And if you're wondering how you can sign up for the account, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how this actually works. So for this, first of all, head over to your DeviantArt app that you've already downloaded on your mobile device. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see the option that says join. So tap on join. As you tap on join, it'll take you a certain while until you're directed towards an interface where you'll have to enter certain credentials in order to log into your account or to sign up for your account. So here, first of all, the first thing you need to do is choose a username for yourself, and then also add your email address. So here I'm just gonna type in my email address. After typing in my email address, I can also see downwards that there's an option to confirm my email address. So make sure that you confirm the email address by retyping it again. Also give in the correct email address because this will be used for your verification purpose, and then tap on the next button. After doing this, you have to choose a password for your account. So here, type in a password for your account and then confirm the password by retyping it again. When you do so, also choose the date of birth. Make sure that you choose the correct month, the day, and also the year of birth. After doing this, tap on join and wait for a certain while until you're led towards an interface that will basically let you know that you have gotten logged into your account. So this is basically how signing up for DeviantArt works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to sign up for your own account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.